Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a helpful trick for WhatsApp users on PC. With the latest updates, searching for messages in your group chats has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Just launch the app or go to the web version and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your chats, where you can see all your recent conversations. Next, find the group chat you want to search in. Click on the group name to open it. Whether it's a family, friend, or work group, this feature is a great way to locate important messages without scrolling endlessly. Now, here comes the exciting part. Look for the search icon, usually represented as a magnifying glass at the top of the chat window. Click on that icon to open the search function. This is where the magic happens. Type in the specific message or keyword you're searching for. This could be anything from a name, a date, or even a phrase that was mentioned in the chat. As you type, WhatsApp will instantly start filtering the messages, making it easier to find exactly what you need. Finally, after you type in your search term, scroll through the results to find the exact message you were looking for. Once you locate it, you can click on it to jump back into the conversation. Easy, right? And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can efficiently search for messages in any WhatsApp group on your PC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Happy messaging!